guys, it's your girl SaladGold. Today I'm showing you how to make a healthy salad taste naughty.
You're joking.
That's impossible. That's a total lie.
Well, I'm about to show you guys how to do that right now. Stay tuned. Starting with the bulk of the salad, a mix of spinach and lettuce. Romaine lettuce has that crunch factor, while spinach has that really nutrient-dense, super nutrient-dense factor, the added protein, and everything else. Moving into add-ins, we're doing some cucumber today, tomato, avocado, which is a very big part of this. Green onions, of course, add so much to the flavor of this salad, and you will see exactly how we add those in and what we do with those. For seasonings here, we are throwing in some black pepper, pink Himalayan sea salt that is actually a sea salt and pepper blend, as well as garlic powder that will go into our dressing that we make up. Moving into other add-ins and ingredients for the dressing. Some of these ingredients here will be going into the dressing, otherwise they will be add-ins like these hulled hemp seeds right here. So many nutritional benefits to these here, and you will see exactly when and how we use these. And then for the couple main ingredients for our dressing, some organic fair trade sesame tahini, some apple cider vinegar, some lemon juice, some garlic powder down here like we mentioned, as well as some of this creamy avocado. Moving right into our protein sources here. For this salad today, I am going to do some hard-boiled eggs, as well as one of the original veggie patty veggie burgers that I have been loving recently. These are so nutritionally beneficial and dense. I have just been loving these and using them for so many things. And yes, that might sound funny having a veggie burger or even a veggie burger mixed with eggs in a salad, but let me tell you guys, all of these things together make for such a hearty, healthy, fueling and fulfilling meal. Exceptionally healthy and delicious, but one that tastes extremely naughty. Let's get going, let's get right into this. If any of these things I show you today aren't your preference, aren't to your liking, you can absolutely switch out any of these ingredients with those things that you do like in terms of protein sources, in terms of add-ins. You can withhold some of these things, but I'm just showing you a salad today that, in my opinion, in over the 3 years that I've spent as a paleo-based eater, I've come and arrived at this salad for myself to supplement and substitute as a very hearty, fueling and fulfilling meal salad that I really truly feel, in my opinion, tastes like a naughty meal. So at that, let's get it. Starting off with a bowl of sorts here, a pretty decent sized bowl for a meal sized salad. The first thing we will be starting with is our base. So for our base, we are doing a mix of romaine lettuce mixed with an equal amount of chopped up spinach. The next key component, avocado. So one thing that is amazing to do is actually massage the base of our salad with avocado. So we're gonna go ahead now and do that. About this much avocado should do. Guys, I am telling you, this has been a complete game changer for me. Massaging your avocado into the base of the salad really ensures that that avocado and that creaminess is in every bite that you will be eating in your salad. So we just do this with our hands, mix it all up, and really coat the base of the salad with our little bit of avocado. And you can add a little more if that isn't enough, but the avocado will also be going into our dressing, so there will still be more creaminess to come for this one. But I might go ahead and add just a little bit more because I know the feeling of it. You don't want it to be, you don't want any piece of the base to feel dry. And don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. As long as your hands are clean, you can always wash those off as you're going, which we should be. Just adding a little bit more. And up to your preference, of course. You might not like avocado. I don't know what kind of person doesn't like avocado, because it really does add to everything, all of the flavors, but totally up to you if you want to omit this step. I promise you guys, this will still taste equally as naughty. As you guys can see here already, the base of the salad, that bulkiness has really condensed a lot. We've condensed that down so we have more room for all of the other ingredients that will go into this next. I'm gonna go rinse my hands off, and then we will begin throwing in and mixing all of the rest of the ingredients. So the next thing we will be adding is a 1/3 cup here of our chopped chives. So adding those ones in, 1/2 cups of both our chopped tomatoes and chopped up cucumber. Now giving this all a good mix around together. Already smelling so good and fresh. so hearty and delicious, creamy and good, but it's also so refreshing and such a light, summery meal, but really a meal for any time of day, any weather. It's so fueling, so fulfilling, so flavorful. You guys will see. So, setting that aside for just a second while we get to making our dressing. So for our dressing here, our main ingredients here will be both tahini as well as a half or a little bit under of some avocado. We'll be adding in some apple cider vinegar. And for seasoning, we will be doing some Himalayan pink salt, some black pepper, and garlic powder. And then our last ingredient, and very important, some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Going ahead with the base of this one, you can do this roughly, but I would tell you guys about a tablespoon of tahini to start. And you can always make a little extra. You don't have to use all of your dressing. It is an avocado tahini mayo, so you can essentially put this on chicken, you can put this on vegetables, on the top of a burger. You guys will see the flavor is insane, and this is one key component to the salad really tasting especially naughty. Good healthy fats in tahini as well, of course. Moving on to our next ingredient, which will be some apple cider vinegar. This Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother has amazing health benefits, so we're gonna shake that up a little bit because it does seem to settle a little bit at the bottom. This stuff is amazing and really changes up the flavor, adds a little bit of acidity, adds a little bit of pungentness, a little kick to the whole taste. So we're doing a dash of that, I would say probably a tablespoon of that as well. And I seem to eyeball this every time and it still turns out tasting amazing. Next is some lemon juice. I'm just gonna squeeze it into here and then pour some in, roughly as well, but I would say about a half of a lemon juiced. Pouring that in there. Adding in a little bit of avocado. Again, roughly, you can always add more, but no more than another half an avocado. Maybe just a few pieces like so in there. And then once you've gotten to that desired creaminess, you decide for yourself, but I don't usually add more than about that. Going in with some pink Himalayan salt and pepper mix. To your preference. And while we're at it, adding a little bit to our salad as well. Going in with some traditional black pepper. I like things peppery, but that's completely up to you guys. Adding some into the salad as well. And then lastly, some garlic powder. Straight into the dressing, but none into the salad. Giving that all a good mix together. And of course, consistency-wise is all up to you. If this is the type of consistency you like for your dressing, go ahead and do this. If not, add a little bit of water, add a little bit of almond milk, add a little bit more lemon juice, add a little bit more apple cider vinegar. You can taste it now and see how you like it. Taste and add some more seasoning. However you guys like it, but I oftentimes leave it at this consistency if that's what I'm feeling. But if I have a bigger salad to stretch it out, I'll usually just add myself in some water to this mixture. Sometimes I'll make a little bit extra and bottle it into a little jar, put it into a small little jam jar for myself, and then use it throughout the week for any of my other recipes. On top of a burger, I'll make some veggies, I'll make some cauliflower, and I'll dip this in, or broccoli, or coat it and then bake it. This mix is amazing for that. So that is our tahini, avocado tahini mayo all ready. Make sure there's no chunks in that dressing. If so, can add more water to your desired consistency, whatever you like. Set that aside while we bring our salad back here. Give that another good mix with the spices and seasonings that we've added in there. We can now bring in our proteins, both boiled and chopped up eggs here. We can throw those on in, as well as our cooked and chopped up veggie burger here. Bring in our dressing here and begin to add it to our salad. Give everything now a super good mix together. Make sure that dressing is coating every part of the salad here. And see how that was just the perfect amount of dressing? It looks like everything is coated here. And once you feel like everything is evenly distributed and mixed up to your liking, you can go on and add our last ingredient, these held hemp seeds. They have a very nutty flavor, great source of healthy fat, and add a lot of flavor actually to the salad. So go on and sprinkle on some of those. Eating about a tablespoon of these hemp seeds a day is great for our nutrition. So adding these into almost anything these days, sweet or savory. And now giving that all a final mix together. And there we have it. This is one way that you can make a healthy salad taste naughty. I promise you guys will absolutely love this one. It is fueling and fulfilling. This fills you right up. You are filled with energy and nutrition, I promise you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So much more coming. Like and subscribe if you liked this video. Let me know in the comments below what your go-to salad is. Let me know down below if there are any other recipes or healthy food related, paleo-based things that I can show you next and upcoming. I love you guys infinity and always. Stay healthy, fit, gold, and beautiful, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy! Mwah. Bye guys.